All right, number 5. Which of the following expressions is equivalent to the one above, where x doesn't equal 3? Okay. Whenever they tell us this stuff x equals doesn't equal a number, chances are we can kind of pay little attention to it. It's there because it needs to be there for the problem to work. For example, if x was 3, this would make 5 divided by 0, which, can't happen. But we don't really want to pay attention too much to that. So in this case, we're just trying to simplify, and in order to simplify these fractions, we need a common denominator. So in this case, we can get a common denominator by multiplying the first fraction, 5 over x minus 3, by 2. Now if we do that, we need to multiply by 2 over 2. We're multiplying by 1, so it doesn't change the value, it just changes the form. If we carry that out, we should have 10 divided by 2 times x minus 3 plus 6 over 2 times x minus 3. Now we just are going to add our fractions together. 16 over 2 times x minus 3. You should do your best to try to leave your work out in factored form as much as possible without, you don't have to carry out that distribution. If you do that, you're going to set yourself up a little bit better because you'll be able to see potential simplification, which occurs right here, because we can actually see that 16 can be divided by 2, which is going to leave us with 8 over x minus 3, which is our answer. You could fall into the trap where you ended up with 16 over 2x minus 6, which is right, but we just have to simplify it because they don't want it in that form. So if you keep things in factored form as long as possible, you stand to lose nothing, and it can potentially help out much, much, much in the long run.